Welcome to Video 5, Cleaning and Disinfecting Your Car. In this video, we cover the basics of how to clean and disinfect your car, especially frequently touched surfaces. Frequently touched surfaces include door handles inside and out, buckles and seat belts, window buttons, locks, and payment machines. These frequently touched surfaces should, at a minimum, be disinfected at the beginning and end of your workday, and after transporting any visibly sick passenger. To begin, wear cleaning gloves for wiping and disinfecting your car. If surfaces are visibly dirty, first clean the surface with a mild soap-based detergent. This makes the disinfectant more effective at killing germs. Soap-based detergents help dissolve dirt and grease. Disinfectants, on the other hand, kill germs and viruses. To select cleaning and disinfecting products, look for products listed by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The EPA registration number will be listed on the product. To find EPA-approved disinfectants against COVID-19, visit the EPA.gov website and search for disinfectants to use against COVID-19. For all your cleaning and disinfecting, always choose products appropriate for the surface and follow manufacturer's instructions to ensure you do not damage your vehicle. Remember, never mix products or chemicals except with water. Have car doors and windows open when disinfecting your car to maintain adequate ventilation. Safely store all disinfectants away from children and passengers. Cleaning and disinfecting your car regularly, especially frequently touched surfaces, is another important action you can take to help stop the spread of COVID-19.